Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss the next 10 questions of NCHM CT 2015 paper math section. So let's start with question number 11. So based on partnership, no, basically ratios actually. So P and Q together have rupees 1519. Then if 4 by 9 of P share is equal to 13 by 25 of Q share, how much amount does P have? So this is the question. Now see, first of all, let us form an equation. So P plus Q here is given as 1519, and 4 by 9 of P share is equal to 13 by 25 of Q share. Now see, first of all, equation यही खत्म हो जाता है. कैसे? See, whatever is the value of P, it must be divisible by 9. आप देख पा रहे हैं कि 9 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. तो in the options only this is the option which is divisible by 9. So option A is the correct answer. But in case you want to know the method also to solve such question, so this is very simple. You can simply substitute the value of Q as 25 into 4 is 100 upon 9 into 13 is 117 times P in this equation. Let us substitute the value of Q in this equation. So P plus, instead of Q we'll use 100P upon 117, and this must be equal to the total amount 1519 rupees. So on taking LCM, this is 217P upon 117, which is equal to 1519. Fine. When we cancel it out, so यहाँ से we'll get the value of P. On solving this equation, we'll get the value of P. वैसे ही 7 times में जाएगा. So 117 into 7 is the value of P, which is basically 890. Again, same answer. Fine. So आप option method में भी जा सकते थे. Question number 12. Ram purchased a house for 35 lakh rupees. So the CP of the house is 35 lakh rupees, and he spent 20% on its repair. So repair cost is 20% of 35 lakh rupees. So basically 20% of 35 lakh rupees is 7 lakh rupees. This is very easy to calculate, right? So the total cost incurred by him is, total cost is basically 35 plus 7. Repair की cost को भी हम cost price में include करते हैं. So that becomes 42 lakh rupees. Now he want to have a profit of 20%. Now the selling price must be 120% of cost price. If you want to have profit of 20%, so it must be 120% of cost price, selling price, right? So 120% of 42. On solving this, you'll get the answer is 50.4 lakh rupees. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 13. A shopkeeper mixes 15 kg of rice purchased at 30 rupees per kg with 25 kg of rice purchased at 40 rupees per kg. है ना? इन दोनों को इन्होंने सर्टेन रेशियो में मिक्स किया है, और जो मिक्सचर आया, लेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द मिक्सचर भी x रुपीस. दिस इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ मिक्सचर. और किस रेशियो में मिक्स किया गया था? दिस वाज 15:25. So using the formula of mixture and alligation, 40 minus x upon 20 x minus 30, sorry, x minus 30, this must correspond to 15/25, or basically 3 by 5. On solving this, we'll get 200 minus 5x is equal to 3x minus 90, or 8x is equal to 290. And from here we can calculate the value of x as it will be 36.25 rupees. Now again, we want to have, this is the cost price. अब हमें कितना प्रॉफिट चाहिए? 20%. We want to have a profit corresponding to 20%. The selling price must be 120% of cost price. Now 120% of cost price means 36.25 into 1.2, which will give you the answer as 43.5 rupees. So the correct answer is option D, that is rupees 43.5. Question number 14. SCF of two numbers is 13. So let the first number be 13A and the second number be 13B. These are the two numbers, and the common value is 13, which is the HCF, right? If the other factor of the LCM are 12 and 7 and 3, so basically the value of A can be 7 and that of B can be 3. These are the other factors. So apart from 13 and A, जो other factor है वो A और B ही है. So we can safely assume the value of A to be 7 and B to be 3. So the numbers are basically 91 and 39. So what is the smaller number of the two? Option B, 39. Question number 15. Find the least number which should be added to this value to make it divisible by 30, 42 and 105. So basically we are looking for an LCM of 30, 42 and 105. Now see, जो भी LCM होगा वो क्या नंबर होगा जो इन तीनों से डिविजिबल होगा. So LCM of these three numbers is, if we calculate, it will be 210. Now when we divide this 3587 by 210, we'll get 17 point something. 17 point something, right? Now see, this number is not perfectly divisible. अब हमें ये 17 point something time डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो टू मेक इट परफेक्टली डिविजिबल वी नीड टू ऐड समथिंग, और जब हम इसमें कुछ ऐड कर देंगे तो ये 18 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. 17 से तो वैसे ही डिविजिबल है, 17 से बड़ा है ये कुछ नंबर, राइट? 17 टाइम से बड़ा कुछ आ रहा है. तो अब हमें क्या करना है, वी नीड टू फाइंड द नंबर व्हिच वी शुड ऐड टू दिस नंबर टू मेक इट परफेक्टली डिविजिबल बाय 210. तो हम 210 को सबसे पहले 18 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं, तो दैट विल गिव अस 3780, और हमें नंबर क्या दे रखा है, 3587. So when we subtract this, we'll get 193. So 193 must be added to this. अब यदि इसमें 193 ऐड कर देंगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, 3780, which is 210 into 18. यदि यही क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा होता कि हम क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, तो हम क्या करते हैं, इसको किसका क्या वैल्यू के लिए हम चेक करते हैं, 200 into 17. ये जो भी वैल्यू आता उस उतना ही हमें लाना होता. तो बेसिकली 200 into 17 यदि हम करते हैं तो वो आता है 3570, और यहाँ पर हमें कितना दे रखा है, 3587. तो कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होता है, 17 should be subtracted to make it perfectly divisible by 210. इस केस में क्या ऐड करें वो पूछा गया था. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, 193. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. A train goes 400 km at an average speed of 50 km per hour and returns at an average speed of 40 km per hour. So there is a direct formula for this. जब भी हम एक distance cover करते हैं with the speed of a और return back करते हैं with the speed of b, so the average speed is given by the formula 2ab upon a plus b. Now in this case, 2 into 50 is a, 40 is b. A is basically the speed of ongoing journey and b is the speed of return journey, right? So upon a plus b. So this is how much, 100 into 40 over 90, which is 400 by 9, and which further is equal to 44.44 km per hour. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 17. A and B started a business by investing 25 lakh and 30 lakh rupees respectively. So A invested 25, B invested 30. After 2 months, A withdraw 5 lakh. तो A ने 25 का अमाउंट तो 2 मंथ के लिए रखा. उसके बाद उनका अमाउंट कितना हो गया, यदि if he has withdrawn 5 lakh rupees, so the amount जो उनका इन्वेस्टेड है, that is 20 lakh now, है ना? While C joined the business, अब after 2 months C joined the business by investing 10 lakh rupees. B withdraw after 3 months. B ने 3 months के बाद पैसा another 3 months, तो बेसिकली 2 महीने बाद C आए थे, उसके 3 महीने बाद, तो बेसिकली B ने अपना अमाउंट 5 months के लिए इन्वेस्टेड रखा, और ये आफ्टर अ ईयर उनका प्रॉफिट वाज 9 लाख रुपीस. तो ये 1 साल की बात हो रही है. तो एक बार वापस आते हैं क्वेश्चन में. A ने 2 मंथ्स तक 25 लाख रखा था, रिमेनिंग 10 मंथ्स के लिए उनका 20 लाख रहेगा. B ने 5 मंथ्स के बाद विड्रॉ कर लिया पूरा अमाउंट. C ने 2 मंथ बाद ज्वाइन किया था, तो बेसिकली ही इन्वेस्टेड फॉर 10 मंथ्स ओनली. सो इसको यदि हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो दिस विल बिकम 250 रेशियो 150 रेशियो 100, और to simplify this we'll get the ratio as 5:3:2. So out of total 10 parts, we will have a part of 3. So the portion of V will be 3 by 10. 10 क्यों, इन सबका टोटल 10 हो रहा है, तो 3 by 10 out of 9 lakh rupees. So that is 2.7 lakh rupees. So the correct answer is option A, that is 2.7 lakh rupees. Question number 18. Okay, so 2.7% of 300 plus 0.3% of 400 minus A is 12.2% of 10. Now see, this is 8.1 plus, ये cancel out होता है, तो 4 into 0.3 is 1.2 basically, minus A, and this is 12.2 divided by 10, that is 1.22. So in solving this, you will get the value of A as 8.08. Now among the options, the closest value is this approximately equal to 8.1. So the closest value is option C, that is 8.1. This is an approximate answer, right? Now next question. Okay, so based on permutation and combination, we need to select a group of 5 persons having at least 2 women, and total men that we have is 6 and total women that we have is 6. We need to select 5 and at least 2 women should be there. So हम क्या कर सकते हैं? 2 women, 3 men. This can be one of the case, or 3 women, 2 men, or 4 women, 1 man, or we can select 5 women and no men, 0 men. ये cases हो सकते हैं because हमें बोला गया है at least 2 women should be there. Now how to select 2 women out of 6? This can be done in 62 ways, and 3 men out of 6 is 63 ways. 63 into 62. 4 out of 6, 64 ways, into 1 out of 6 is 61 way, and 5 out of 6 is 65, and 0 out of 6 is 60. Now the value of 62 is, basically if we calculate, you will get the value as 15 and 63 is 20. Again, this is the repetition. 63 is 20, 62 is 15, 64 is basically 15, and 61 is 6, and 65 is 6. You need to calculate these values, right? So this becomes 300 plus 300, 600 plus 90, 690, and 6 is 696 is the correct answer. Option C. Okay, question number 20. In a hall, there are 10 persons, each of blood group A, B, or AB or O. One person is called. What is the probability of having them from blood group A or B? तो एक पर्सन को बुलाया गया है, उसका ब्लड ग्रुप A या B हो. तो सी ब्लड ग्रुप A या B होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी हो गई? 2 out of 4 केसेस आर फेवरेबल. फेवरेबल केसेस कौन से हो गए? A आएगा तो भी चलेगा, B आएगा तो भी चलेगा. सो बेसिकली वी हैव 2 फेवरेबल केसेस आउट ऑफ 4 अवेलेबल ऑप्शन. तो 2/4. बट देन what is the probability of selecting that one particular person? That is 1 out of 10. 10 लोगों में से किसी एक को सेलेक्ट करना है. The probability is 1 out of 10. So the answer will be 1/20. So none of the option is passing. So option D, none of this is the correct answer. So I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you.